Hello students, in this video let us continue the lesson titled The Last Lesson which we had started. In the previous video we came to know about the presence of the old people in the classroom, and we also came to know that from the following day French would not be taught in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. So this declaration was made, and it was very much shocking for the boy little Franz. So that is what we saw it in the previous video. Now let us continue. Okay, please have the book with you. My last French lesson. Why, I hardly knew how to write. I should never learn any more. I must stop there then. Oh, how sorry I was for not learning my lessons, for seeking birds' eggs, or going sliding on the shore. My books that had seemed such a nuisance a while ago, so heavy to carry, my grammar and my history of the saints were old friends now that I couldn't give up, and young Hamel too. The idea that he was going away, that I should never see him again, made me forget all about his ruler and how cranky he was. Okay, now let's try to understand this paragraph. So this paragraph talks about the regretful feeling of the boy, the regretful feeling of Franz for not having learnt French sufficiently. Okay, now he knows that from the following day onwards he would not be able to learn in French because Germany is going to be enforced by Prussians. So now he feels so sad for not having learnt French. So he says during the class time he did not come to school. He was going to catch birds and he was going to play, and he was not interested in study at all. He also says that the books that were so difficult for him to carry, the grammar book, the book of saints, the history book, and all the other books which were so difficult for him are his old friends now, because now he feels that he would not be able to learn them. Okay, even he is talking about the appearance of M. Hamel, who is very strict, who used to beat him with his ruler. He feels now so sad that he would be missing him. Okay, he would be missing M. Hamel, and his appearance, the cranky appearance, was not a matter for him. Okay, write one question from this paragraph. Describe about the regretful feeling of the boy Franz for not having learnt French sufficiently. Describe the regretful feeling of Franz for not having learnt French sufficiently. Okay, please write down the answer in your notebook. Let's continue. Next paragraph. Poor man! It was in honor of this last lesson that he had put on his fine Sunday clothes, and now I understood why the old men of the village were sitting there in the back of the classroom. It was because they were sorry too that they had not gone to school more. It was their way of thanking our master for his 40 years of faithful service and of showing their respect for the country that was theirs no more. Okay, let me explain this short paragraph. This paragraph talks again about the regretful feeling of the boy. Okay, he says, so that is why our teacher was wearing the beautiful suit which he normally wears. And this paragraph also talks about the reason for the presence of the elders, why they had come there. Okay, they had come there to thank M. Hamel for his 40 years of his faithful service in their places, Alsace and Lorraine. Okay, one question. Why did the old people come to school on that day? Okay, please write down the answer. Let's continue. While I was thinking of all this, I heard my name called. It was my turn to recite. What would I not have given to be able to say that dreadful rule for the participle, although very loud and clear and without one mistake. But I got mixed up on the first words and stood there holding on to my desk, my heart beating and not daring to look up. Okay, let me explain this paragraph. This paragraph talks about the question that was thrown to Franz. Franz is supposed to come to school with the rules of participles ready. He should have studied about the rules of participles. Okay, so when his name was called, he is standing, but he is not able to say anything. His heart is beating maybe faster, but he is not able to say it, and he feels so bad and he feels so sad about it. Okay, and now let's continue. I heard M. Hamel say to me, I won't scold you, little Franz. You must feel bad enough. See how it is. Every day we have said to ourselves, Wah, I have plenty of time. I'll learn it tomorrow. And now you see where we have come out. That's the great trouble with Alsace. She puts off learning till tomorrow. Now those fellows out there will have the right to say to you, how is it you pretend to be Frenchmen and you can neither speak nor write in your own language? But you are not the worst, poor little Franz. We have all a great deal to reproach ourselves with. Okay, let me explain this paragraph and complete this video. So this paragraph talks about the way in which M. Hamel appreciates for the effort that Franz is taking to learn French, though he has not taken the effort. He has not scolded him. Okay, he has not scolded him for not having learnt the language. He only says that we should all feel bad. We have not learned sufficiently. We always said that there is plenty of time. Okay, he says that it is the characteristic of Alsace. She puts off everything for tomorrow. It is not only you. It is the trait. It is the character. It is the quality of the people of Alsace. They all put off things for tomorrow, the next day, and they have not learned sufficiently. So he says at the end in this paragraph, we should all feel sad. We should have a great deal to reproach ourselves with. It is not only Franz that you should feel bad. Everybody here should feel very sad, should feel reproachful, regretful for not having learnt French sufficiently. Okay, and some questions from here. The first question, why should we all reproach ourselves to a great deal? Why should we all reproach ourselves to a great deal? Why did M. Hamel say that we should all reproach ourselves to a great deal? That is one question. And another question from the same thing. Why didn't M. Hamel scold little Franz on that day? Okay, so please write down answers for all these two questions. Okay, let's continue in the next video.